The egg.
Hey guys, when I was little, my dad wouldn't let us waste a crumb. So there's always a way to use leftover anything. Today, I have leftover French toast. Okay? Luigi says, this is how you make streusel. 1 1/4 cup flour, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 stick of butter. You take the first 3 dry ingredients, you put them in a bowl, you mix them together with your hands, and then you throw some soft butter in, the 1 stick, keep mixing up, put it into the refrigerator, bring it back out, and crumble it up. Okay, now we're going to take this streusel topping, and we're going to take a little bit of jelly. It doesn't matter what kind. Today I use grape because that's all I got. I'm going to put some grape jelly. I'm going to spread it on top. I'm going to take my streusel topping and put it over each piece of French toast. Oops, I forgot to spread this one. And we're going to bake this in the oven. Okay, let's see how it came out. Ooh, still sizzling.